Spotify has introduced a new feature called AI Playlist, which allows users to create playlists based on text prompts. This feature is currently in beta and is only available to Spotify Premium subscribers in the UK and Australia. The company claims that this tool can help users turn their creative ideas into playlists. Some examples of text prompts that Spotify has provided include an indie folk playlist to give my brain a big warm hug, relaxing music to tide me over during allergy season, a playlist that makes me feel like the main character, sad music for painting dying flowers, I'm getting ready with the girls, make us a fiery playlist for heating up the dance floor, and tracks for horse riding into the sunset. The AI playlist feature aims to make it easier for users to discover new music based on their mood or activity. By entering a simple text prompt, users can generate a personalized playlist that fits their current needs. However, Spotify has also stated that they will block any offensive inputs to ensure a positive user experience. With this new feature, Spotify is continuing to innovate and provide more personalized music recommendations to its users. By leveraging AI technology, the company is able to offer a more tailored listening experience that caters to individual preferences and moods. As the beta version of AI Playlist rolls out to more users, it will be interesting to see how this feature enhances the overall music discovery process on Spotify.